Good evening. After a long time, we are together.
Okay, I can see you. Already you have shared your screen? Is that right?
Yes. Can you see?
Yeah, I can see your page.
Okay, fine. All right. Today we are going to learn another framework, and it is unit testing framework. Okay.
Okay.
Usually, with the software development engineer in tests, we don't do unit testing or unit testing framework. Usually, the software developer or web developers, they do this part.
Mm-hmm.
But for the shake-up interview, we have to know and we have to learn it. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So let me open my code editor, or let me open Python Community Edition. You have professional version, right?
I'm not sure yet what's going on right now, because last time you tried, it was not coming. I mean,
okay,
had a problem, but
maybe
we need to fix it up.
You have to read. Okay, you can look at it. We did it in the last class. We have to import unit test first. HTML test runner is also a package. This is just to prepare reports, okay?
Okay.
And you know, Selenium import WebDriver from selenium.webdriver.chrome service import service. This is new.
Oh, yeah.
And import WebDriver _manager.
Manager.chrome.
And from selenium.webdriver.common.
This is the old one, yeah.
Import class.
Bye.
This is not package, this is class. Okay. And in unit testing, we have to create a class, then just name it to anything, but it should be meaningful, okay? And inside the parentheses, you have to bring unit test dot test case, okay? Then colon. Then what do we have to do? We have to set up setup. When you are using setup, this is just a function, right?
Yeah.
The function, you don't need class method, remember. And use setup driver equal to webdriver.chrome, webdrivermanager.chrome, Chrome driver manager. This is a little different than before, you see. Dot install. Now, executable path is not working. Not working because it is deprecated. Deprecated meaning Deprecated meaning Selenium doesn't take care those anymore. So now, from now on, you have to run with WebDriver Manager, and this is more convenient. Okay. From now on, we are using WebDriver_Manager. Remember. And driver.cat. This is the application we are going to test, okay? Then driver.maximize window. Now remember, whenever we have a class, okay? When we have a class, and inside the class, whenever we create function, we need the self instance from this class, okay? We did it in PyTest, right? Then we have to say self.driver. You put self instance, it will say there is an incorrect or error, okay? So you have to put self instance. Then this is test case. And every step of this test case is called test step, okay? So first step is navigate to the web application, enter correct username, then enter correct passwords, click on the submit button, click then close the test. Close and quit. Now, this is our test case, right? We are creating another function. Inside the function, we have test steps. And in every framework, we start the word with test, remember? Test underscore login underscore functionality. This is test case 1, okay? Remember, you have to put tests word either in front at the beginning or at the end. You can say login underscore functionality underscore test, okay? And you know all these things, what we are doing here.
I know, yeah.
Okay. Self.driver.find element by ID, and ID is txt username.
Yeah.
Then send keys, user is admin. And driver.find element by again ID. This is the value of ID, and send keys admin1 password. This is the password, right?
Yeah.
And sub dot implicitly wait 10 seconds. You have to know what are the differences between time dot sleep and
time and sleep.
Implicitly
and implicitly
wait. What are the differences?
Yeah, there is a differences, but right now I forgot the actual differences.
Okay, but this is a must interview question, remember. Sleep and implicitly wait. Remember, sleep, when you sleep 10 seconds, meaning Selenium will halt, take rest, or sleep for 10 seconds. Even if it can find the elements and can locate the elements, it will remain sleep, dormant, or halt for 10 seconds. But implicitly wait, if you put 10 seconds, and Selenium WebDriver can find the element and locate the element within 2 seconds, it will keep executing.
Not sleep. It will keep.
Yes, it will take just 2 or 3 seconds or 5 seconds. And after that, it will keep executing. Okay? It will
run
10 seconds.
If it doesn't find any element, then it will wait 10 seconds.
Yes, yes. But sleep will remain.
Sleep doesn't care.
10 seconds, even it can find element and locate the element within 2 or 3 seconds.
It doesn't matter, but it will wait 10 seconds.
10 seconds, okay?
Yeah.
So implicitly wait is preferable, okay? Because you are saving time.
Preferable.
Right, preferable. Preferred, okay? And this is nothing but I just say test completed successfully. Actually not necessary here. I just mentioned it as an example. Okay, and this is the test case 2. Same thing. Just for example, even in unit testing, you can execute 2 or 3 test cases together. One can be positive, another one can be negative, right? Then this is also function. This is not class function, just say tear down. You see, setup is here, setting up the test environment. And at the middle, there is test case or test cases. Then tear down. Okay.
Tear down.
Almost like high test, but in test, there is no tear down. Remember. So the question is, what are the differences between unit testing framework and PyTest? Both are unit testing, but PyTest is more powerful, more robust. You can even conduct functional testing. Even you can conduct integration testing. Even more bigger framework. Okay. With unit testing framework, we just do unit testing.
Just do unit. Oh, okay.
Just unit testing. Okay. And what is this? If space underscore underscore name underscore underscore a space equal a space underscore underscore main underscore underscore. This is, you can say,
logic
entry points in unit testing. Need it because to execute it, and at the same time unit test dot main. This is main method, and it helps us to create test reports, right? Do you remember how we create test reports? We can just delete it, delete, and create a folder. Folder is directory or package, whatever. It's a package. Just type output. Okay. Just a folder. And right button click. Okay. So, I don't need any.py. Make sure. I can create another. Just create directory output, but it really doesn't matter. Okay, then right button click, copy the path. Okay, and test runner equal to HTML test runner dot HTML test. Output is this output equal to equal sign, and inside here you just whatever you copy from here. Okay, copy absolute path and paste here. Now if you are using Windows, you need / or you can just make backward slash if you want to put single. This one, okay, it will work also. But if you put /, then you have to put double.
Should be double. Oh.
In Windows, but in MacBook, only single backward slash. Remember. Okay. Now, just right button click, execute. How many test cases?
2.
So it will run twice, okay? You see, 2 passed, 2 warnings, okay? Don't bother about warnings, 2 passed. Now, look, we don't have yet any results, okay? But when you click here, and say, it should be pop up, okay? It takes time sometimes. It might take sometimes 10 seconds. Okay, not yet. Actually, it didn't come. Let's see. One more time. Maybe I closed early. So still it's working, okay? So just don't close it. Sometimes it needs time. You can just click here. collecting.
Collected 2 items. Oh, collected.
Okay. It should be okay now. Okay. If it happens, what you can do, you can also just I cannot see the terminal here. Can you see? No. Where is this one?
Yeah, now I can see terminal. Although left. Yeah, right here.
This one?
Terminal, yeah.
Let me see. What's wrong? Terminal. I cannot see. Your terminal, okay? I think here. What's wrong?
I saw the terminal. You could just crossed out. It was in the all the way left and down.
Okay, we can also open from here. Which one is right button click? I think we can
Open
from here also.
Open in
Terminal.
Yeah.
Still, it's not coming.
Oh.
I think this one is the terminal. Yeah. What
Yeah,
you can just type Python and name of the file. Test underscore functionality.py. Okay. Generating HTML report. Can you see now? It's now working. And when it will generate report, it will show like this angle bracket here. Okay. Can you see now? So now we can click here. And this is your report. Right button click. Open in browser. We can open with any browser. Edge, Firefox, Chrome, default, okay? You see, test is to pass. It took 16 seconds, 0.96 milliseconds. It's not minute, this is second. Now you can click on view and name of the application is this. And you can also click on plus and hide it. Okay. So actually your boss might want to check this report, whether it is pass or not. Okay. When did you test it? Okay, how many test cases? 2?
So
And
what time it is?
pass through. If
Pass
it is
through.
failed, there will be maybe pass one thing. Okay. All right. Now, what do you have to do? You have to send this report to your boss. Maybe you will be using Slack. You know Slack? This
No.
Slack channel. Okay. I work for Ravager and we use this Slack. Okay. And I'm with Newcomb also. So I use it. Okay. Now, what I can do, I can just email or send it through Slack, whatever your company is using, just you need to send this
Link.
You can email it also. All right. Clear?
Yeah.
Now, one thing you have to understand here is you have to use pip install WebDriver dash manager to install it, okay? So what you can do, I don't know why it is not showing here, terminal. There is terminal here also, okay? Or you can just right button click.
Open in.
Then open in terminal. And you can just say pip install WebDriver manager, okay? If you want to uninstall, you can uninstall it. And you know how to upgrade pip, right? Just pip
upgrade
install or you can say upgrade. When you say upgrade, there will be double dash dash, okay? Upgrade pip. It's now upgraded. Uninstalling and successfully install the upgraded version. Okay. All right. And also you have to install this pip install HTML tests runner. Okay. Requirement already satisfied means there is already. Then you see, when you are installing, you are writing HTML small cap, test T small cap, and runner. But when you are importing, all are capital cap. Remember. Import HTML, just write H
capital That's right.
Very simple. Okay. And you don't need to write it again and again, just copy and paste. Okay. Or when you try to use the previous setup with executable path, it will give you error and it will say deprecated. Just copy the message and paste on Google. Enter. It will take you to this. It will tell you it has been deprecated and now you can use this. Okay. Is it clear? Clear or not?
Yeah, clear.
Okay. Now, one more thing. So what we did, since we are using this method or function inside the class, to one step back, right? Understand?
No.
All the method and function will inside the class.
Oh.
So it will one step back.
Okay.
Okay. Now, remember, this is simply a method or function. But when you are using just simple method or function, this is simple method. Every time you execute test case, if you have two test cases, it will invoke the browser 2 times. You have 3 test cases, it will invoke your browser 3 times. If you have 10 test cases, it will invoke your browser 10 times, and close 10 times. It takes time, right? 10 times it's opening the browser and
10 times closing.
So it takes 10 times. Okay. But if you just say class, we call it class method. Okay. I use class. You have to use here also class. So 2 ways you can do it. One is with method and another one is class method. Now you are adding class. This is called class method. Class function. Okay. What are the differences?
It will invoke one time.
Only one time. And close the browser only one time.
Only one time.
So it's saving your
time.
And you saving your time means you are saving money of your company. Okay. So if your company tells you you can use both, which one you will prefer? Class function. Why? Because it saves
time.
And saving our time, we save money.
Money too.
Okay. So this is very important question in the interview, remember. Now, when you put class function, what do you have to do? You have to use a decorator. Decorator at the rate class method. Okay. And you have to use here another decorator. This is called decorator in Python. At the rate class
function
method.
Class method.
If you forget to put it, the test will not execute it. So this is very important, okay? Now you can run your test from here. You can run your test from here also. And you can run your test from here, okay? And you can also run your test from here. So 4 ways you can run your test, okay? Remember, but PyTest you can run only from command line. Okay?
Only from.
Okay? Only one time invoking. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay. If it is clear, what you can do? You can, what is your bank?
Chase Bank.
Chase Bank. You can use URL of your bank, remember? And never ever use your own username and password when you practice, okay? Be very careful. Never ever use your real password, okay? If you show me, you never know. Don't trust me, okay? Or while you are practicing with your friends,
Yeah.
never ever use your own username and password.
Yeah.
Always negative testing, okay?
Always negative, yeah.
Put negative username, password, incorrect credentials. Testing, okay? You wanna try it? So actually, this is just command is pip install web driver test manager. Actually, you don't need it. Just copy and paste up to here, okay? Just copy and paste. So I'm sending you all these codes. Now, your assignment is to do one. You can also practice with this. You can do positive testing with this, and you can practice with negative testing
with my account.
Any bank, any commercial bank, okay? And when you use commercial banks, please don't record, okay? Because banks are not allowed to test their you can practice, but you cannot record.
Okay.
Okay. Any question?
No.
I hope no. This is nothing but main method, okay? And if you have any confusion, you can go to Google and just say HTML tests runner. This one, okay? Click here. You see? Copy from here always. Okay. Here is output, but you can name it anything. You can say test report, no problem. Okay. And one more thing you can do, maybe. You can say verbosity. Where? I think here. Verbosity equal to 2. It will give you detailed report a little more, okay? It's a failed 100%. What happened? It says there is no such elements. See? No such elements. Why it is saying no such elements? Can you tell me why?
No.
Let me try again. Always it is best to run from terminal, okay? You see now we have 2 results. Now we have 3 because I ran 3 times. What is delay? We can delay. Can you see delay?
Yeah, right here. Right here, yeah. Up, right here. Down right here. You're not using glasses?
No.
Uh,
No. Yes, it is problem without glass.
yeah.
Now it is past 100%.
Mm.
One pass, one warning. Warning is pass actually, okay?
Mm.
Did you notice when we are running from terminal, result is coming instantly?
Mm. Yeah.
Okay? So running the test cases or executing the test cases from terminal is
Terminal
accurate.
is works better. It says failed.
Yes, it's a failed, one error. One test. What's wrong? Actually, internet interrupted. When I'm running it, internet is being interrupted. Here. Result is there, you see? No?
Mm.
We can check it.
Pass error.
You see?
One is pass, one is
One
error.
pass, one error.
Yeah.
The internet interrupted when it was executing the second one.
Mm-hmm.
So this is extra report, you see? It's showing everything.
Mm.
When you are adding verbosity to one called verbosity means more detailed report, okay?
It shows the more detailed reports.
Yes, little more detail.
Mm.
You will see here a lot of messages.
Mm.
All right. So unit test can be executed two ways. One is with method and another one is with class method, okay?
Mm.
And class method is more convenient, more advantageous because it takes less time to execute and get the report, okay?
Mm.
It saves time, means it saves money.
Yeah.
Understand?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, try twice, practice twice at least, and we can next week we can revise PyTests.
Yeah.
One more time maybe, then revise PDD behave.
Yeah.
Then we will talk about interview questions. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Let me close the recording.
Yeah.